Osha Pen Dream TV or YouTube and Osha Mijina Baby Nema Kosu Bebre Osha Mechia Nema Bebre Air Koso. Of course, I am inside Jamestown in the Greater Accra region here in Ghana. Look around. It's a beautiful place with a lot of people around and everything. I mean, I shall say, who bisa say, Nene, Adentina, Scarce Madonna, Maba Jamestown. And yes, now say I had to say, Wally, Checkers. Ye buy it. Say, any one of the lucky winners, Bekasa, I shall say, I'm pa. Sawale or the Kano man, and I say, one family. Today, we are inside the vicinity of Shatta Amano Kram. Shatta Shadrach Amano Kram. We are going to check out if the car is real, if you really want the car, and controversies be surrounding who be Yebekle. So stick and stay. We'll be right back. So make sure around. As I'm a sporty car, no, I have seen the car. I've seen the SM for Life tag on the car. And of course, I have seen the man himself. I have seen Shatta Shadrach Amano Kram. That is the car. That's a beautiful car. SM for Life tag. Eboho. Yeah. Brand new tier rubber. And Eboho no. And no. So we will be speaking to the man himself about the car and everything. Shatta Shadrach Amano Kram.
Yeah, that's the man.
That's the man.
Humble gangster.
Humble gangster.
Gangster, yeah.
Hey, Shatta fans, they watch you. And here at Jamestown, we've met the man himself, one of the lucky winners, one of Shatta Wale's loyal fans. They can't SM loyal fan. This man is like one of the biggest loyal fans Shatta Wale has. Your friend is Shatta Shadrach Amano Kram.
Yeah, Humble gangster, alias AKA Humble gangster.
Alias, and a crab, you know, the crab, it be what? It be crab like Koto.
Yeah, no, that's my middle name.
Crab.
Yeah, the crab, like CRABBG. It's not like crab, but it's, yeah. So it's one of, like, yeah, my middle name.
You live here?
Yeah, yes, my area.
This is where you were given birth to? This is where you grew up?
No. I was born in Central Adumabo. But yes, where my father, yeah.
There's almost a ship in fire,
and I think so. I think so. That's what people will say. Maybe, yeah.
Now the big question: how long have you been an SM fan?
How long? Okay, I started following this movement. We say SS time. That's somewhere around 2012. Yeah.
SHS. What school?
No, JHS.
JHS.
No, SHS in Kimbu. Yeah. So I started following, but I was not a strong fan by then. Yeah, I just loved what the man was doing until I completed SHS. Yeah. So I joined this social media thing, and that's this the Facebook. So I've been following Shatta Wale. I've been seeing his music and the other stuff. So I made up my mind as to Charlie, the guy has been doing a lot, but it seems like the media is not giving him the attention. So the little way I can do to help him out.
So it be as you see say Wale they do more things.
Yeah.
Where you make your mind say you go push Wale.
I for push the man. So
some bro pay you.
Oh no, nobody pay me. Actually, Obi and me. But now me pay guy, It's not here, no. The personality. Oh, it's not here. It's not me. I feel like Charlie. If you say like me buano.
And now found who to say Obi push. I now need you maybe idea.
Won't say. Saturday me bua me auntie be. I want to shop more. But on the social media thing there is just on phone. So you just pick up your phone and type. That means it's about typing. And it be posting things like me there. So as I say, I'll be following him. And they say or dropping Jumbi and I say Bibia. I'm sure say like I will follow that thing. I will put then I'll do the other stuff. So sa na me sa but na minimum bia wa camp num. Na minimum bia minim actually minimum bia kra. But now me here because of like me penno. Yeah, me person or tie. Oh, it's not me there. Me here. So actually, me say I feel there. For people will be following me because of that thing. Hey, me say go for follow me. So me too. I took advantage of it. Yeah, it's me now me wa guy be on so designs. Ewo intade. I'm actually. These days, we want to follow me on social media, especially Facebook. If that's the thing there, me person or designing is a matter there. Oh, yeah, me like me fan two online. Now, like you business or.
Oh, okay. Until Usha said the SMA business.
Yeah, by say me using the logo. I want to name like me Tom. In Tampaso, me bed J and pa Gani yeah. First in the year, best 50 pieces. And do 2 weeks. And
now to understand.
Oh, now you're Tom Atarebaku 50 cities.
Hi. How many years?
Oh, that's actually during that 2015 work. 15 year.
2015 I turn shares back 50 Ghana.
Charlie, not then time in home. So also at the po utomno 100 Ghana. You will still get loyal fans actually. So logo ni keke po what I don't po. They like it. It's na ye tom santi. That's when I feel be more interest wo say Charlie this social media any SM. See that SM so you know Charlie. I feel that we want to so now grow. So that's what now feel me pushing sir. So me wana me one time me strange message be me inbox mu and that was Bulldog. Yeah. And to Bulldog gonna say Charlie, I've been seeing all what I've been doing for the movement. Keep it up. And maybe I would like to link you up with the king. But tell me because one of those fake accounts. So my man no but later on I know obisa me for my number. And I'm the man no. Until one fine day be I don't family so this Bulldog. But you know the other time I message you about it. So yeah. So Charlie, you are doing a lot for the movement. You are forced. You are pushing, and we like it. So this one is coming from the movement. We just love you. So you keep on doing it. So
how did that make you feel? How was the feeling like to see your work being appreciated by Bulldog?
Look, it was like I was so amused. So wow, a whole Bulldog affirm you, a whole Bulldog affirm me say Charlie the me you know. Into them so it's because me close friends say Charlie Bulldog go this wale manager what frame you see this na Charlie na me for some say wow I'm say oh ampa and China also sending me friend request or no Bulldog no I sending me friend request and I me accept it it that's metro best 2015 census we system wo and me message like me call actually me call but ode my fan break kakra maybe now a friend request that's this thing wale himself it me now people say me now with friend request you know in fact me need here me say chalampa account that account real it me cheat to my phone so and I me reach me guys challenge we want send me friend request to which means Charlie Aquano the me nampa who say yeah me ye juma no enti after that me birthday 25th we me February mu me nam me koja me girl be kwan yeah zebra
koja ne girl is there wale fan.
Oh yeah girl they not on here on channel wale hardcore fan but through me no honestly be wale hardcore fan. Yeah, until now
the whole family.
Yeah, it's me koja no kwan. It's me na mana me nya call na the pan say the pan say to happy birthday to Eddie Mami. the point to happy birthday me say one of those guys into two sa we no say oh may God bless you say I'm so thanks and I'm business say about who is this and so this is Shatta. Okay, this is Shatta no. I'm so Charlie. I don't like this kind of pranks. Me pay pranks, me pay straight things. Yeah. So please you just put the prank aside then. Or like I say one day oh me Charles ni junior. Still I na me jin denti. Once while say bibia osre. Enti once after say osro when you so no. Yeah. Me say hey you know it's not for me after me jump na me hu dem say Charlie King. Me no care. I say Charlie. Me when farm so say me just say or no say bet me na shower we a moving pic with her now. Yeah, not like say fan be na ya am so yeah. In fact, me can me ndware.
O go far again.
Da bi na me gen nam. It's not gan na or ye cake amami. It's basa no imane kofie. Ana me di me ka beja me ndware po me fa me ta de share ye ntenten me two with them pe e car fa. Like car na say uko baby na eni na wafa kana say taxi me pe sa day no me fa taxi.
That it says all that
ah be me penalty pa me penalty check car. Se me say ase eni ase a wa penalty. It tell me fa car gidi and me do moving pick. Me do once na script na tight. Almost dem ma me kwanwa enti ade a shocking me say the whole style esa osa frame me biom esa be say o wa say o try me for almost 30 minutes ni na like me mba na I'm so keen me wa say o na security for no ana suma bulldog say bulldog mba na ese me gina entrance ho ampa bulldog by na me gina ho bulldog say o Charlie we owo ye we num so as I say ana ochi me do odi me call here
now Wale etse moving pic etron for 30 minutes.
30 minutes not try no try me.
That's why Fro said Charlie you no go come.
Enti me do no say o show me do say enti who small boy say na ya udi me din ye dede wo Facebook sadam say okay me amini na so nim e your don na say wow enti from that time you know and starting and for that happened in 2016, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 4 years from time Wale recognized your about moving pic. No? Relationship, no, how has it been? Or time for shows, or corner shows nowadays? I became part of this thing of the crew instantly. So as I say, my struggle, I don't need any qualification. Ono ka say you see an mekano say omu ko show omu ko interview anything about the movement you know if I only have the chance to meet my journey free so as I say after me said now no I'm not just a fan but I'm now a member
become a family
yeah
SM family no have account
because now then time now you were some huge pillars in that movement. Now you will be to say deportee. Na afraid na me communicate easily. Bulldog to me frame me. E beside me same way frame na afraid I say. E to me ko bobo me bana we like me bana abehu we miss course. E bia Wale. After me say I say inside me come
at that time now to Jamestown.
Na
say that superstar.
I said the Mr. Gas is superstar, but underground superstar. And I said the Obianim say yeah, me come. It's not mostly no. It's I know in friend me by like yeah. Obi Wumia.
I'm first.
Shatta. Obi Wumia while Obi Wumia pa sa. Inti yeah.
So inti Wale. Wale hard dream. Wale hard dream. Wale made you an underground superstar.
Oh,
it was Jamestown.
Baby, it's not afraid to be a. Say me na tina say me ko baby a. After say me struggle kakra because me do me na to go 1 2 no be me no e say me china o chi me gina no ni me kasa. Chale, the only about picture po, or beside me movement in Chale send a call, the bed Chale, Wale, Alpha, and say on Bass in the show for Cinema Jamestown. It's not Minyasa, we know, and pass with this picture thing, or bit me be who. Dana make us say, in go for Wale Ama. Some who say only Wale is so closer. Amu say Aquavi, or Lucia Wale. It's a move, oh, they feel like Charlie, let's take picture and I say, baby, yeah, in our account. It's Jamestown, they're not like, so for them, I say, me tell you, now, me you be like, me said I didn't say me pay that kind of fame. But now, I can say that would who I could pay Wale, umpe, what I need superstar.
Before I now all support Wale, no, was there any artists you were also supporting that closely?
Now me what? Now artists are me too munjum. I have some artists I love listening to their music, but I'm not
artists like
fan. Or that time so cause make us artists I mean like me Pepper, make us Lord Kenya, Obrafo, Anna Samini. Yeah.
So then when
then time Batman.
Yeah. So you were a Samini fan. You used to listen to Samini.
Yeah, I used to listen to some of his music.
When the beef came between Samini and Shatta Wale, no, wo Shatta Crab.
Yeah.
How did you feel about it?
Yo, then time me won't say.
Give me a sincere comment about that beef.
Sincere comment. That time, that industry, it was not booming. It was very dull. So when this thing was coming up, now I love it. Yeah, because now it is some push biba. So as I said, now it is some force biba. Now I go for pay attention. That time, people love to watch this telenovela and football. But now entertainment, new strong foundation. So as I say, until someone who say after Wale any Samini beef, say no. Now I am there. But it be something now one and I'm like
support.
Yeah. Now more Walechi.
So it made you stop listening to Samini.
No. Samini still come more the tracks was say. More Samini tracks was say. If you are a fan of music, you were so who supposed to be Upo Binjum and also Upo be carrier. The carrier or now so like in Jum side na like me pay. Me on the tracks be I say like I love to listen. It is social phone class me more Samini in Juma me tie. Yeah, it's not say me like me support no. But snap beef in start here me so Samini why you be? Yeah, so why you be na say wo kwa. Ko na obi so oba no nso mba. Na anakwe say Samini person ojino say that be still onko ono notice so I say it's na me back Wale. So Charlie Wale akwa we you need free so na ja nchire na hye. So I say yeah na ampaso meja fuso. So one time. Okuku ni kwa free so na.
Still you still listen to Samini?
Up to date. Do
you have Sanyum now bet you this is like my favorite song from Samini.
Odo.
Sing it.
Samini Odo and first of all, my new wadwine ka no kreche no obi ense na dwin why they do wo best no do mini manin ka che wo asana wan pene fese bia na wo fa wo nante wo kasa wo ni ya wo su ba na nse wo sika odo fitase enti se ne be ye hwese mu
Shatta Amano Crab. It's the man I'm talking to on Pedrum TV and our Jamestown. Wale made this man a superstar in Jamestown. Also, to me, Nancy, a honey higher, no bisano. Charlie Shatta movement, no. He say, I any day. A bit to offer her, a say, yen chop picture. Or fire, na guess, no tata. Say, bro,
guess.
I'm a guess.
Manka guess.
But say, man,
guess. Oh, so say, embody, you remember, you baby, like, I'm a pet. Fame, I'm a pet. Baby I didn't be but Mr. want to be very step on social media, but it's one of those things.
What would you say? What would you call the position you hold in the SM family? Say, are you a blogger for SM or say, oh yeah, distribution officer, or PA? What would you call the position?
Publicist.
Publicist.
Publicist. Yeah.
Are you the official?
Actually, I would not say it's official because I don't mean penny deal bisa, but that's what people know me for. Say I interact with the fans on social media. Anytime there's news, info, something going on in the camp, I always break out to the fans so that they will know about it.
And I know now you're full time.
Yeah.
You may be
Say like my personal life, my job. Oh, actually, me operator and graphic designer at Camelot, Ghana.
Oh, okay. But because
Yeah, it's true.
and you know, me feel say you sit on because you sit on Facebook every day. You talk about everything, Wale.
Yeah.
Everything.
Do you know something? A lot of people think that we are always on social media talking about Shatta Wale, about social media. We always so we don't actually have anything to do with our life. But that's a lie. He said the social media is so simple. You don't need to go and sit like cafe and I say will be peace. You only need your phone. You can do this. But me too, when it comes to broadcasting, talking, like posting, typing, I'm good at it. It means me not even put 30 minutes chance. I didn't meet I just to see our Facebook, you go shock. I told you between my friend and auntie. Now, me need kasa. Na sana me confirm me so. My phone I'm definitely find the phone. I call and say Shatta, the better now who post that way. But I say send me type here. Wow. Sir. It is about social media. Yes, if you say me dedicating my own time, say hey my back. No. I have other things I'm doing with my life.
Yeah, Kasano can say Bulldog na Efro first.
No, be or introducing me to Shatta movement.
Beef no buy no between Bulldog and Shatta Wale. Yepam Bulldog from the camp. What can be found?
I was mute.
Why?
Because actually the ecosystem is between an artist and his manager. So I say, and now me know when I didn't see here. Bulldog say, amuko tour UK, amuko Europe tour. And they say Europe tour no Mankobi.
So now we mute because Ophili say he had no place in there.
No. Actually, I'm saying like amuko tour, Europe tour. I was not part of the crew. Amuko tour no. So actually, I don't know what happened. Wale can part, Bulldog also can part. I was not there, so I have no authority to say Mowechi, and I say Mowechi. I only kept me so.
So you had no feelings whatsoever. I want to know how you felt about that particular thing.
Yeah. I was very sad. Yeah, because nobody expected it. Say Bulldog and Wale will come to a time there will be this kind of disagreement. So I say, and it was some kind of disgrace.
Okay,
So
you felt like it was a disgrace for the camp or for Wale or for Bulldog?
all of us. So as I say, so I was very sad.
In Tokamba, on your chance, any Omubia Kasa, Ebia Wale or Bulldog, did you get the chance to speak to any of them?
My friend, during that issue now, my friend Bulldog, I'm so Charlie. I did see there. Like Sebeya, Omunjai. Now Omun, any chance, media any chance. So as I say, and I was so Charlie. On the podium, maybe as many do know, or new maybe I be. It is there. Sina incofobe fan no. Omun fan is sir.
So, what would you say is that thing? Because I feel say more fans, someone like you have made Wale who Wale is. But I want to know that thing, Wale, Wale who am I sorry I can say no, I was saying me to me yet 24/7 social media for Shatta Wale.
The personality. Sino tie. Or you're very bold. There's a lot of things that's going on in this industry that we need a strong force to push it or to stand for it. And it seems like everybody is afraid. Oben say maybe if I come to talk about this thing now, maybe that's going to dirty my brand, so I have to keep mute. But while there, you don't really care about it. So as I say, no, the official Charlie, I deal with any, I didn't can say, if you say a can say, now so obia a din. So as I say, now so the obeka, obe defend the Biano embra. It not be pesa spirit, you know. So as I say, it's not about only Wale, but that kind of spirit now Okrano. So now cause I know be a crowd area sanka Charlie. Nanka ebe like nanka eyepa serious. Oh, so it's all about his boldness. Yeah,
the boldness and the music. Do you think this is the music also part of that thing? And I want to know your favorite music from Shatta Wale.
Favorite music from Shatta Wale? I can't mention.
You can't mention. There are a lot.
There are a lot. I have to get like full scap so I can dot them down. There are a lot. There are a lot. So I can't mention my favorite Shatta Wale song. But or this particular song beer. Now I don't know. Me pepper like there are these two particular songs. I used to listen to that music. That song every morning is Free and Letter to My Father.
Say, I'm interested in Letter to My Father. Sing it. I don't know that song.
No, I am actually just say me kai we know
Lyrics. No.
yeah.
Okay, so to free me, you know. This one is called Wale Trivia. Wale, if you're a lawyer, Wale fans, they are coming trivia, Wale Trivia, and I say, Beba Street. If you know you're a Wale fan, I'm coming for you. You sing Wale songs for me. Sing Wale.
Spirit bit me every must see. I swear. Wale need you know spiritual. Yeah, spiritual. So some me to see. I met me in Jina car we so every reason see. It's very powerful. It's kind of some strong song beer, a deep lyrics, and I really love. I did be a cover sound I really love it. It was I did be like it's happening every day in our life. In our life, yeah.
How did you get the call to come for the car? Were you first of all were you expecting? Wale Beka say Obeche car no? What was your perception about it? Me na me kaza or boy.
First, I don't come when Wale won say on ya on ka. Yeah. So I saw that post, I know say by all means this guy is really going to dash out cars. But I don't count myself in. Say bomb is like Mr. Carnibi. Not one. Now I say a Christmas gift to some of his lawyer fans. Some time ago, I lost my phone just recently. I lost my iPhone and me social media like my phone era. Until if you say me your word, I want to Wale about publicly so obeche me in Phoenix phone nibi. So I say yeah. So within 1 week, you know. I don't mind me at 8 way. Yeah. So I don't mind me at 8 way. Say like me for as we.
It was a phone in the guy. Yeah. Wale don't check fiko.
Yeah, fine, papa.
Fine. Oh.
Jim to say Wale. Jim say Wale. 80. On my phone we no so and the me gift in any. Until sa 2 cars no me say oh me count. Na me I was expecting to say one of my friend don't know camp no Bilari. It's them say the bomb is or can answer bad other one they me the pakra. But them say oh Bilari any other one because everyone deserve the car. Everyone, every lawyer fan. Even the one go phone no everyone deserve it. In terms of the I don't care about it. Say Wale better car no. Na obi ninji and one and I made them dream. So I say so I was just expecting to win this car or to get this car.
It's your friend. I'm not friend and now one friend.
Nah, actually me want
Facebook.
Nah, me want one of our crew members friend me say Charlie. You see meeting. Yembra meeting. Ewo Wale feel ewo Ajugano. You see Yembra meeting wo for we be until and I miss me call ye me dem say a meeting na ye call ye enti na ye call for the meeting no ana oni ye kasa about the movement, how to move forward and then thing. So during is when you say only a kasa no along in the conversation no and I mean who say or check can end actually no and then or check no so as I say into all Canada so can no there obia deserving obia many like there's so many things ahead at this camp will offer to the members, but for now no people should clap for Bilari and Shadrach. So that's the moment I've realized, hey, Charlie, I've just won myself a car.
Hey, so I just go Wale house. Wale say me to catch the Wale say hey, car. My nigga.
Can you imagine? Until me call, I went there alone. Actually, minimum driving. I have idea about driving, so I don't.
Yeah, here Wale ke kwe fa nya
Yeah, what been like? I feel me winning car no. Me winning yes no. I feel that me say can like me winning or the key na she me same. I feel the person like me to can abefi. So one of my friends helped me out. Yeah.
It been a to the best.
Yeah, been to best. Yeah. Or no sooner like order me buy. Yeah, actually, yeah.
Can you? We'll give you a full we'll give you a full shot of the car. Yeah. But what I like about the car is this: one out of the time.
What did I be? I want that. Stickers in our pet. Maybe I work on that.
It's all there. It come, you know, do a minute.
I don't do a minute. I know do anything about it. So and I suggest and drop me got to Kelly Willie no and I'm done for be. I drop me got to Kelly Willie. He said the baby could be a medical. Maybe we can't go. Ana some girl be so on my miyawa. Some girl be my miyawa some time ago. My friend no was show me 11. Be the kind of come ko jinso ye.
Hey,
oh, omo da echi gan da mo da echi. Ngo jira me bo pi gan say na mo jino oba na me jino na me jaka no. So I say when na asidan koma Wale. Nsa
Wale
ejuma.
Wale get see, me I always talk this thing. I say Wale the whole street there. He gives the boys some kind of, I don't know, as a vimbe, some hope to do things. Yeah. Say Obakra, this is a lot of strong will for him to do that. Say Oba say mempel. Now Wale ache me car. No me two car. Biggest rest 2019.
Ngo phone say Wale so be check Wale owosika obecheka no obeche picanto. What? Wale becheka no so obecheka no ache picanto. Upa wokasa no wokasa transport wo the trans na dwen ho. Wale so becheka ana wache picanto me no. Man, enye ode fa say enye picanto. And I said debe if I say yes ade ya simbi. And I say a bike keke. Enye easy. How many fans now? How much fans? How many artists now? How much fans cars? And I say bike. NC. So I say so even po o mama truck post me ntrifa ko sanyo mapoa. Man, enye easy. Where eye pace be Wale asset so that other artists will follow. Ambo say chale usunye bia. Ensura no say good so a tinisuna ebisun ka wo fans so I say na me nka say Wale was so scanty wa ko che picanto na wo artist na wo support no so dey be no so achew so I say yeah enti ya dey be enti say na ultra baby na ka say we onye hwe mama waye bibia so I say enti ebi say woman ebi say wo hwe ne nkra say chale Wale why there me like the won e be the why no me mpa wa simple na so the why kwan de chale Wale why there chale ebi a upo wutu ebi so wutu bebi e kasa asem no but o family ewe no obi apo nche wu bibi sada so I say enti yeah, easy. While the minimum baby, it's through this social media thing that I share. So I say, and I say, I we, and yes, easy. So me to ask me keke. Say me talk car, chill. It's not easy.
Out to two cars, and no they are check.
And now one say na me can say, nothing be it's one of my dreams. Say me talk, maybe to say Matiz be and I say Picanto. Na me dimma obi na nipa fan ye kakakra e mami because yeah me won say ska wom because now one of my friends and the father this type of car and Odiesika I started somewhere last 2 years this year no wa fasa car no so that talk car mienu etimi won say Charlie started in ska wom it's not me catch me for say Charlie if say me want say na me so me top Picanto ni bio but I never knew say sana and I'm quite super ba yeah so Charlie
power ha cars and pama ho ate now cars and pama ho e bebem Charlie this man had no hope whatsoever they be o cars person automatic CB no farmer obi here Picanto he's a graphic designer he's a fan a person dey Uber na man for etwi na onya ni sika aka or can no nim say biba ni part we asia no one can sempa and the amount so your plan is to use the car for an Uber.
Oh for now no if you say be nam crew kakra so as I say yeah if you say me so me won't say yeah but by next year sa no me de be ma one of obi a onu so oni ejuma bi e ya onu so we fe me de ma na onu so fanya wide kakra me nya me kakra no so nya kakra wo sa na ye kono enti by next year me de be ma obi na ni pa fanchu ba kakra eh
mene Shadrach Shatawale fan, one of his loyal fans, a friend is Shadrach Amano Crab. He won a car from Shatawale last week. Ma wale chen car bako. Kwa say onye de unkochi. With them they are chow. Emma de ko ni get cry feel kojun so good gen no car ni ade. Ni bibia. But I want to ask, what are your expectations? I mean, for the years are ebe bano. Say next year, next 2 years, and then I will expect to say, camp no. What are your expectations for Wale and in the camp, and for you as a loyal fan?
A lot positive vibes, a lot of things. I may expect it. By next year, we are making it bigger than we are. You see, by next year, no, if you say like. Even po say wale say obe check car po at least on chebe say 10 at a time next year no me dem say Charlie I dey work kwanso make say me dem say wale that two kwanso oba be no so ojiemu a enya agro so next year we are not only conquer Ghana or Africa we are taking the world now Beyonce muna chinsi ye you see ano enya agro ye ko any nickname na akoye
Adibi
sure amun na be chense so next year there Charlie next year to ebia 2021 there Charlie na obrewu se ampa ye wo krum.
Two last questions before ne upon ni bibia. You say my waist 2 time person the car no coach to kakra person the coach to kakra ya tell say but as it was okay no nkofo ewo company everybody deserves it oma enya car no oma abamebu and then na obeka
obi abamebu ye obi abamebu
sure
na so obi so obi na se na abamebu a when first time wale checker wale chebi Cyclemosis yeah o chebi ono wini ye Cyclemosis wini car no obeka se me like me wini car no me ni je pa because even pose wale anya akoma se ma me check car no me nya hope say akwa be a check car and the next time akwa betima che fie yeah eti e ma me ni je po ma fe na ade me yemu no enu mopo na em hye me awonde mu na me ye ne mo ba e say na me je because of me say me wini car me ye because me won say the problem me di na chi no okra akomapa me won say Charlie me support obi a okita akomapa yo obi a me support na like me won no na we onya sika no ana man fan so enye bi enti So bro baby now like o feel say Charlie car we dey say come na we me win and I call win ti. No. Don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. There's a lot. There's a lot. Denya nkwa na here. There's a lot to happen in this camp. So if you're Shatta Movement fan and you are Samuel Charlie, don't be discouraged, my bro. I hope there's a lot to offer to this camp.
Now the last question. Wale, Stonebwoy coming together, do you support it as a lawyer? Be sincere.
As a music fan, I didn't support it. I didn't like the idea. Because, we were all enjoying it. The trolling, the shots, the beef, everything, we were all enjoying it. So when I heard that actually, they were actually going to smoke the peace pipe, I was a little bit disappointed. So what I say, yeah. But as a citizen of Ghana, for peace sake, I love it. Baby, as you know, although intended na mepe, but I'm a music fan there. I never like this idea.
Do you think it has affected Shatta Movement in any way?
Never. Wow, so I won't say still I crew. But your money, Melissa Muna, won't say you crew. Still I it is upon it. We are still doing Shatta. Shatta still with Shatta. You can even wake up, go to Twitter, and this man is trending just like that. So Wale, this thing has never affected Wale in any way. I don't know about the other camp. For them, I don't know. Yeah. But for Shatta Movement, actually, we still do that. We are still popping.
We want to give an opportunity for you to say something to Wale and the fans of Wale. Say be abedan as da wo akum bi a person o ka bia che Wale ni SM family na say it's your time.
First of all, as I come the whole camp, the whole management, from Bulldog to Chris Connie, Nana Dope, Willie Mika, everyone, may God bless them. Amuni na account and we happy no. So as I come but for Wale, I don't actually know what to say to that man. I don't really know, because this does not come by easily, so that you would remove your own pocket money to buy a car and dash it to someone you are not bloodily related. Man, it's not easy. So may God bless him. May God open more doors for him. He's going to prosper more than this. So as I say, when we come here about me, I don't know the price, but he's going to get thousands, double of that money. May God bless him. May God bless him. And his father Shatta Kapo. Everyone who made this happen. May God bless everyone in the camp. And to every Shatta Movement fan, I've already said it and I'm saying it again. This car is not for me alone. It's for everyone. If you are going somewhere and you think you need a ride, the key is always there. Come for it. The only thing you have to do is buy your own petrol. Come and put inside. Take the keys and you can take for a ride. This one is not for me alone. It's for everyone. And same because I member Obi I used to for Ubano. Senipano Ekofa will be not the panel Senipano share. It's a matadia. Oman free. Free. Eman Genesika. Often no be okobia for free. So like on your account in me. So this one is for everyone. It's for every Shatta Movement fan. And may God bless us. Next year we are going to grow bigger than this. So may God bless everyone, Shatta Movement, and every fucking soul who just love this moment. May God bless them.
Shatta Crab, Ena Meneno Kasano. I'm just inspired by him and Wale. I mean, I don't know. I'm just happy about this whole thing. I'm so happy. But I want to give you a sneak peek of the car. So now I can know a Wale fan. They are able to make you be. Oh, support Stonebwoy and Samini dia lie. And they are only being cheap. And this is a car SF for life. Pa. Fresh, terrible. Say I register ni bibia.
Oh, actually, more or register because now on him a be a dean as a number of so used to intermediate.
Between DV kaka.
Oh yeah. Intermediate DV kaka.
Okay, let's check out the car. Hey, fresh, oh.
Music money.
Yeah.
This is not. It's music money. It's not blood money, Charlie. Ubi as sweaty or some machine on that. No, a transit na wafa paper. No, actual lyrics. Actual lyrics. No, actual no. What sound kwa. Nisikeni. It's easy. Cry. Easy.
Yeah, bamba hamba kona.
Oh, so yeah.
Hey, many Shatta Crab and Edin Kobo Penjib team. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, oh, share chat or Jamestown. Shatta Crab and I'm in Edin Kobo. I love this man. While the next time I'll be check out, me feel what frame me. My pong.